G'day everyone, I'm Kim. I'm a nature journaler and a YouTuber. I've been on Earth for 34 years now and it's been amazing. But I also know that our planet's in trouble because of human impact. Resources are being consumed at an unsustainable rate, climate change is causing catastrophes like our recent bushfires and floods, and we're currently experiencing the 6th mass extinction. I feel compelled to make it a better place to live for everyone. You, me, my friends and family, the next generations, and also all the other living creatures sharing our planet. This Earth Day, I'm participating in the Great Global Cleanup, and I'm doing so by picking up rubbish in my local nature spaces while I'm out nature journaling. I also want to dedicate this cleanup as a birthday present for John Muir-Laws and thank Ivea Moore for starting this wonderful tradition. It might not seem like much, but cleaning up rubbish is just one small act that I can do to prevent pollution, improve habitats, set a good example, and make me feel like I'm contributing to a better future. This isn't a once-off act either. I pledge to regularly do cleanups while enjoying and learning more about our world through nature journaling. It's one way I can invest in our planet, but there's many more, such as choosing to reduce, reuse and recycle, and help people realize the value of our environment. It means doing the right thing for our planet, even if that's hard. Honestly though, it's easy to step up and make a difference. You can join a cleanup nearby, or pick up 5 bits of rubbish on your next walk. Maybe you'd prefer to add some native plants in your garden to help pollinators and local wildlife. I've added links in the description for more information and ideas on how you can help. Let's invest in our planet.